In this lesson, we will look at a process paragraph, also called a how-to paragraph. A process paragraph explains the steps needed to complete a task. It is written in a clear sequence, so the reader can follow the instructions from beginning to end. A process paragraph is similar to a narrative because events happen in order. However, it is different because its purpose is not to tell a personal story. Instead, it focuses on instructions, explanations, and results. The writer helps the reader understand exactly what to do. A strong process paragraph usually begins with a clear topic sentence. This sentence tells the reader what task will be explained. For example, it might say how to make a cup of tea. After that, the paragraph gives the steps in the correct order. Words such as first, next, then, after that, and finally help show the sequence. Each step should be specific and easy to understand. The writer should avoid skipping important details. If the task is complicated, the writer may include small explanations so the reader does not become confused. Good process writing is accurate, simple, and arranged logically. The final sentence often gives the result or a closing comment. It may explain what happens after the task is finished, or it may remind the reader that the process is complete. This ending helps the paragraph feel complete and connected. Understanding process paragraphs is useful for students, workers, and daily life. People use this kind of writing in recipes, directions, manuals, and instructions. When you learn to write one well, you can explain a task clearly and help others succeed. To write your own process paragraph, choose one task, list the steps in order, use transition words, and check that nothing is missing. With practice, your instructions will become clearer and more effective.